Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today, in our English class, we are going to continue with our active English lessons, chapter number 7. Till chapter number 6, we have already completed. Now, we will do chapter number 7. Um, I think all of you have completed till chapter number 6. Some of your works I have seen it in the groups. Very good. Keep continuing like that. Okay, all your homeworks you finish and post it in the group as always, right? Keep reading your lessons as and when we finish. Keep reading your lessons. Okay, children, and complete your written works whenever the teacher gives. In this chapter, we are going to see a simple concept first. After that, it will be easy for you to do complete the sentences, right? So the first thing is you're going to write a sentence will be given, right? So there, if you see the word we, W-E, right? We, wherever you see we, you're going to replace it with are. Okay, in your answers, right? When you see we are going to replace it with are. Okay, and whenever you see you, Y-O-U, you're going to replace it with your. Whenever you see they, you're going to replace it with their. Okay, so these are the things you should remember to do this chapter. Whenever we see we will change it with are. You will change it with your. They, you will change it with their. Okay, so now we will see the questions now. Okay, color the pictures. In your textbooks you will have this. You can color it according to the sentence, right? Color the pictures. Write our, your, their or its. You're going to use it these words to replace some other word, right? Now first one, again you will understand better when I read it, right? We have read books. That is the sentence given. We have read books. We have read books. So when you have, whenever you see we, what I told you, you have to replace it with are, right? So you are going to replace it with are. So whenever we see we, you will change it with are, O-U-R, right? We have read books. You can say this in other way. Our books are read. So all your books are going to be read. So you can say our books are read. We have read books. You are informing someone. We have read books. Like that you can say. You can replace this we with our and change the sentences. Our books are read. Both are correct. You can say either ways, right? We have read books. Our books are read. Both are same. Okay. So like this, we are going to change one word with the other and make the same sentence by yourselves. Okay, children. So now the next one, we'll see the next one. What is the question? You have green books. You have green books. So you have green books. So how, whenever you see the word you, what I told you, you have to change it with your, right? You have green books, right? Your books are green. You have green books. Like that you can say your books are green. So it is simple, right? Your books are green. Our books are red. Your books are green. Like that you can say, right? So whenever you see the word you will change it with the word your. So your books are green, right? You have green books. Then the answer will be your books are green. Okay, children. So the next, so like this you will replace the words, right? Here I'm going to explain some few sentences. So remaining few sentences will be there in your textbooks. You just finish it up. Okay, how I'm teaching, the same way you will complete the remaining works. Okay, children. So the next one, so what will come? They have red hats. They have red hats. So what will be your answer? They means their. Their hats are red. Understood? They have red hats. You will say their hats are red. Both the ways you can say that. Okay. So whenever you see the word they, you will replace it with their. Okay. Their hats are red. Okay, children. The next one. The car has red wheels. The car has red wheels. So its wheels are red. Its wheels are red because car is a thing. So we are saying its. So car is a thing. So we are saying its. Okay. Its wheels are red. The car has red wheels. So that you can say its wheels are red. So both the ways you can say this is correct. Okay. So these are the sentences. Few sentences I have done it for you. So the remaining 4 sentences you will have finish it up in the similar way. So not, you have to do what you have to do. No, you have to just see the word we. So you have to replace it with are. So wherever you have we, you will say our books are red. So we have red books. You will say we, instead of we will put our books are red. You're going to write our books are red. Right? The next one here. You have you have green books, right? So what you will say, you means you will write your books are green. You will write it like that. Okay. Your books are green. So you will change you as your. Then you write books are, write the green back here. Right. This is how you will write. The third one, they have red hats. So you will change, they will be changed to their. Hats are, are alone you will write and write the spelling of red again. Right? So the next one, the car has red wheels. So you will write the car will be changed. This fully will be changed because it's a thing. We will write its wheels are, you will write red. Right? Write the red down here. That's it. Okay, children. So this is one set of questions from chapter number 7. So the other set of questions you will do in the similar way. So you have to see the words, replace and write the sentence in different order. Okay, this is the 7th chapter. Okay, now we will move on to the 8th chapter, right? So we are going to move on to chapter number 8, right? So we have finished chapter number 7. So we are going to do now chapter number 8. Okay, children. Here, so whenever you start writing, put the date. Okay, you have to put the date in the left corner. Okay, in your left hand side, you will just stop. You will put the date. Then start writing, complete your work. Check the spellings. I can just see some mistakes. Just go through the sentence properly. How I have taught you, see the video again and do it properly. Okay, don't make any mistakes. I want you all to do it very nicely by yourselves. Okay, no mistakes, no spelling mistakes. Everything you will check. Okay, children, be careful while writing. Concentrate and do your works. Okay, children. So you finished the 7th chapter remaining, and also you have pictures to color there. Do the coloring work also. And then move on to the 8th chapter. Again, you will put the date in the left top corner, right? As you all know, as usual, how you put the date in your notebooks. Put the date and do the work. Okay, children, now we will move on to chapter number 8. Right here, the complete the sentences. Okay, you are going to complete the sentences. Here, you have been given some pictures there, and a question is being asked. So you are just going to answer them. Okay. So you are going to complete the sentences using these words, right? Some, any, no, many. Any of these words you will use in your sentence, or maybe two words you will use in a sentence. So first one, has he any rulers? Has he any pens? So he is having rulers. You see the picture whether he is having a pen or not. Just check whether he is having a pen. No, he is not having. So you are going to write the answer. Only ruler he is having, right? So you are going to write, has he any rulers? This is a question, right? So you are going to use the same thing from the question to write it, okay? So he, you will write he, has. So the second word will come first, okay? Then has. Any will be replaced by the word some. As I told you, we are going to use these words I told you, right? Some, any, like that we are going to use, I told. So any will be replaced. So he has, because he is having 4 rulers, we are saying some rulers. So he has some rulers, but he, see here, he has not, because he is not having a pen, right? So not any pens from the question. So what you will do, one more time I will tell you. So has he any rulers? Has he any pens? This is the question. So your answer will be he, write the he first, has, you write. Okay, instead of any, we are going to write some. We are going to write some. Right? Instead of any, we are going to use some and write the rulers again. Okay, he is having ruler. But he has, because he is not having pen, we are writing he has not, because he is not having. So we are saying not, and write the same word, any pens. So the question, has he any rulers? Has he any pens? That is the question. So your answer will be he, from the question itself. Okay, he has some rulers, because 4 rulers he has, right? Some rulers, but he is not having any pen. So but he has not any pen. Okay, he is having some rulers. So he has some rulers, but he has not any pens. He is not having any pens. So this is how you will write. Okay, children, we will move on to the second one now. Right? You can see the picture. She is having something in her, some things are there in her hand, right? So you can see. So has, question, has she any apples? Has she any oranges? So is she having apples or is she having oranges? That is the question. So what will be your answer? Can you guess? Yes. So what will happen now? She, first you will write she has, you have to remove this any and write. Very good. Some. Right. Some. Okay. Apples. Right. So she has some apples. Right. But she has, what will you write? She is not having. So she has not any oranges. Shall we check? Understood? We'll see. See? She has some apples, but she has not any oranges. Right? She has not any oranges. Understood, children? So this is how we will write. Has she any apples? Has she any oranges? So your answer will be she has some apples, but she has not any oranges. Because she is not having oranges, see, we are saying but she has not any oranges. Okay, children, understood? Shall we move on? Have you all completed till now? Yes, everyone understood? Next one, you will only do it, right? You will only tell me now. Can you see the picture here? What is he having in his hands? There. Yes, a lot of books are there. So your answer will be, so first I'll read out the question, right? So then you will give me the answer. Has he any books? Has he any rulers? So has he any books? Has he any rulers? This is the question. Okay. So you're going to give the answer. How will you give? So first you will write he. This he, when you write it in the first place, you have to write it in capital letter. Because at beginning of the sentence, if you're going to start a new sentence, we will use capital letter there. Okay. So here H is small h is there, but when you are writing it as first letter word, you will write H as capital, right? So he has, instead of any you will write some, right? He has some books, right? Some books, but he has, here after but when you are writing, you will write it as small h only, because we are not starting the sentence there. Okay, here you will write only small h. But he has, okay, not any ruler, because he is not having. So you will write here he has not any ruler, right? So you will write he has some books, right? But he has not any ruler. Not will come, then you will write any ruler. So now you can see the sentence here. He has some books, but he has not any ruler, right? So your sentence will be, has he any books? Has he any rulers? So your answer will be, he has some books, but he has not any rulers. Okay, children? We'll move on to the next one, the fourth one, right? You can see the picture. She is having some rulers there, right? So what will be your answer there? Has she any rulers? That is a question. Has she any rulers? has she any pencils? So your answer will be she has some rulers but she has not any pencils. So she has, right? Any you will remove and write some rulers but she has not any, because she is not having pencils, so we are saying not any pencils. Understood? So this is how you will write the answers. So the next question will be, has she any flowers? Has she any oranges? This is the next question. She is having some flowers. So your answer will be, she has, remove the any and write some flowers, but she has not, because she is not having, so you will write she has not any oranges. Understood? So this is how you will write your sentences. So with that we have completed like 5 sentences. You have 2 more sentences which you will write the answers by yourself. So based on this you can write the remaining 2 questions. Remaining 2 questions you can just complete it. Okay. So with that we have completed one exercise of chapter 8. Now we will move on to the second exercise here. Okay. Here in this chapter I told you like we will be using some, any, no, and we will be using the it. Okay, these things we are going to use it in this chapter as I told. Now we have seen some, any and all. The remaining things we will see. So we will continue with the next exercise. Complete the sentences. So you have been given a picture here. Can you see the picture here? In your book also you can see this. There is no legs there, right? They have written there no legs, right? This doll has not any legs. So this is what is given. So on seeing the picture you will write this doll has not any legs. So this is the sentence. This doll is not having any legs. So this doll has not any legs. So you can replace this doll by, because it's a thing, this doll can be replaced by it. Okay, it has no legs. So as I told you, you are going to use not any. You are going to remove and write no. Right? Here instead of this doll, because it is a thing, we will be writing it. Okay, it has no legs. It, instead of this doll we are writing it, because it is a thing we are writing it, right? It has not any. You are going to remove that and write no legs. That's it. Okay, make the sentence simple. This doll has not any legs. So your answer will be it has no legs. Easy, right? It becomes a small sentence also. So like that you are going to change the sentence and write it. Okay. Now we will move on to the second picture. Right. So what is there? It is a chair. It doesn't have legs. So no legs here. So they have written. So what will be the sentence? This chair has not any legs. This chair has not any legs. So what will be your answer? Because it is a thing, you will write, instead of this, you will write it. This chair, you can write it has. You will remove this not any and write no. So your answer will be it has no legs. It has no legs. You can see it has no legs. Okay. So because chair is also a thing, we are changing it. Okay, as it. So it has no legs. right? This is how we are going to change it. Right, the next picture we will see no wheels. So you can see a car picture, but there is no wheels there, right? So what will be the answer here? This car has not any wheel. You can see it similar way, like this only we will write. Okay, this car has not any wheels. Can we check? This car has not any wheels. So what will be the answer? Instead of car is also doesn't have life, right? So you will write it has. So instead of not any, you will write no. So it has no wheels. It has no wheels, right? Understood? So this car has not any wheels. You will write it has no wheels. It is easy, right? Smaller one. So like this you will change and write the sentence. The next one, he's not. No hair. You can see his head. No hair. So what will be the answer here? You can say this man, because he is a person, right? So you'll write this man has not any hair. This man has not any hair. So what will be your answer? Instead of this man, you can use he, because he is a person. So and a male, masculine gender as we spoke. So it is he. So you will replace this man by he has not any. You will replace by no. So your answer will be he has no hair. He has no hair. So instead of this man, you will write he, right? He has not any will be replaced by no. So he has no hair. Okay. So the next and the last one which we are going to see is this one. No tails. You can see the picture of the cats. They don't have a tail, right? So these cats have not any tails. These cats have not any tails. They don't have any tails. So what will be the answer? These cats, because two are there. So you are going to replace it with they, right? They. Okay, you are going to replace these cats. No, you remove and write they, right? And write the word have as it is. Remove the not any and write no. So your answer will be they have no tails. They have no tails. Okay, children. So this is how you will complete the sentences. Still you have 3 more sentences in this topic. So complete those 3 sentences. So that will be your practice. So finish up everything. So with that we have completed chapter number 7 and 8 from your active English book. If you are not understanding, go through the video one more time. Take your help of your parents. Complete your work. So take care of the spellings and do it. Complete it nicely. Okay, children. So with that, I'm just closing up this session. We will meet up in the next session. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.